I'd be lying if I said I wasn't crapping myself right now. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. It's time to see if this thing will run. A year of hard work, time, effort, money. It's been a long journey, but the hopefully now fixed was broken Mini Cooper S is finally ready to be started for the first time after a full engine rebuild. Now, there is a few things that I want to do beforehand. It's had a brand new battery, so I want to register that to the car. It has obviously had a full engine rebuild, so I want to reset any engine adaptation values that I can. I'll do that in ISTA. I won't bother boring you with that. That's something I can do relatively quick. And then, yeah, I guess we will just important thing, I need to prime the engine with oil. I put around 4 litres in there. I think it's, you know, pretty much at the maximum on the dipstick. And yeah, I think what I'll do is I'll just disconnect the ignition coils and then spin the engine over just to make sure the oil's getting everywhere it should be, and then we should be ready to start them. Let's do it. Okay, so real quick, just a diagnostic check with ISTA. We have 29 fault codes in the fault memory. Hopefully most of these are non-existent. Apparently most of them are. Let's just clear them anyway and see what comes back. Okay, so after clearing the fault codes, we have 2 left in the FRM. Side marker light right faulty, headline vertical, aim control core brake. Okay, I'm not too concerned with either of those at the moment. I guess we'll move on and register the battery and then reset all the engine adaptations. Okay, so the engine adaptations have been reset. I need to do the Vanos next. Vanos adaptations deleted as well. Now we'll go into doing the battery, and the new battery has been registered as well. I think we're now ready. Okay, and so like I said, first thing I want to do is prime the engine with oil. So I'm just going to disconnect all of the ignition coils so that the engine can't start. Now I'll try and turn it over for the first time. Oh, engine turns over. Let's see if we have oil at the top of the engine. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, ignition coils plugged back in. Moment of truth. Let's try and get it started. There it goes. Straight into life. The idle kind of sounds a little bit unstable. I think it's evened itself out a bit now. Something burning off. So it lives. It fires up. It fired up pretty much straight away as well, but now I guess the question is, will it drive? Will it move under its own steam? Only one way out to find out, I suppose. Okay then, so there we go, the Mini Cooper S runs and it drives apparently as well, and to be honest it drives pretty damn well. I mean, it only took a quick spin just to kind of clean off the brake discs. They were very, very rusty, but yeah, it seems to like pull really well. Obviously I didn't go crazy. The engine needs running in. I have a full kind of running period scheduled for it, so pretty much for the first 500 miles or so I'm going to take it easy, but not too easy. It's very important when running a new or rebuilt engine in, not to take it too easy and labour the engine. If you keep the revs too low and don't put it in under any sort of load, then you can end up glazing the cylinder bores, which is obviously not what you want. You want the fresh piston rings to seat nicely against the freshly rebored and rehoned cylinder walls. So yeah, I think what I'll do is just drive it around, you know, pretty normally and keep the revs probably below 4,000, but try and keep them above sort of 2,000. Like I said, you don't want to labour the engine by having the revs too low. But yeah, hopefully that works out quite well. I'll probably do, you know, quite a bit of engine braking as well, just to make sure there's plenty of load going through the engine, and we'll see where that takes us. Obviously a long way to go yet before we know we are safe and out of the woods, but yeah, the engine fired up straight away. It seems to sound pretty good, although I don't really know how it's supposed to sound because I didn't fire the thing up, you know, before it blew up. It blew up with the previous owner, so I really don't know how many engines, you know, Mini Cooper S N14 engines are supposed to sound. If you heard it and you own one, let me know. Does it sound normal? Does it sound healthy? I'll be interested to know your thoughts. But yeah, guys, it is a positive result. We are due to take it for an MOT tomorrow. Have a couple of other jobs to do as well. So yeah, fingers crossed for that. But yeah, guys, we are really getting there, and this is a major step for this project. So hopefully you all have enjoyed it. Please remember to give this video a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you have not already done so, and I will see you all in that next one.